Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. I want to thank you guys again for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 18. Again, the days are just flying by here, but I definitely appreciate you guys for being here with me every single step of the way for this Cookmas. Appreciate that so much, guys, more than you know. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and whip up a delicious weeknight meal idea that's only going to take a few minutes. We're going to go ahead and make a Cajun BBQ Shrimp Scampi. So this is going to be shrimp and pasta in a lemon butter garlic barbecue sauce. It's going to be a cross between shrimp scampi and New Orleans barbecue shrimp. Now when I say New Orleans style barbecue shrimp, it's a spicy, buttery, and lemony sauce that is so good that you'll be licking your fingers and the plate clean. Definitely something that you guys should give a try. Even if you've never been to New Orleans and tasted this, it's gonna taste like you have. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, this is the Cajun BBQ Shrimp Scampi. If you do love Cajun and spicy foods, you're definitely going to love this one. It is a quick and easy yet flavorful meal that you guys are definitely going to enjoy. Hopefully you did enjoy the recipe today. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me the comment down below. Let me know if you've ever had the Cajun BBQ shrimp before. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still have not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Happy holidays. Bye guys.